Hey, Jeff Kelderman coming at you, Kelderman Air Suspensions. Today we're going to go over an F-250 Tuscany Black Ops Edition that we just got done reworking. So, customer bought this off the dealer's lot. There's a handful of them out there, and Tuscany's an upfitter. I think they're up in Minnesota. But what they do is they'll take these F-250s and they'll black everything out. They'll put their own emblems in it. They got their own package, graphics package. They also will do the grill, and hood. So they kind of got their own look. The customer got it, liked the looks of the truck, but wanted to take it one step further, so he sent it to us. First thing we did is ripped off the factory bumpers and put on our Alpha Series winch edition bumper. So what we did is we put in the rigid Midnight Series LEDs on the side. We put on the black monster hooks and put in a big 16.5 Warn winch. So what the customer has now is he's got something that he can pull this thing out of any situation he can manage to get it in. So what we did is, the other thing he didn't like about the truck is the ride quality. So we upgraded it with our Kelderman 5 to 6 inch suspension system. We've got the control system, the airlift version on this one. So obviously, to go with the theme of the truck, everything's black. We did the black suspension. Got our black Kelderman logos here on the side. So now we've provided customer with a nice smooth ride. Going down toward the rear, see the rear is the 5 to 6, again, Kelderman system. It's going to increase his carrying capacity. It's going to keep this truck level. Any load he puts on this thing, it's going to keep it level. This is the same bag and basically same version we run all the way up on the 450 series trucks. So he's got a 250, we're going to have a carrying capacity of 450, minus the dual wheels and a little bit bigger axle. Come around the back. He also wanted a different exhaust, so we went the MBRP exhaust. MBRP out of Canada, Martin Berkey makes some really cool stuff. So we come back to the back to our Alpha Series bumper. We've got the monster hooks on the back, just like we do on the front. And you can see the truck came like this, already blacked out. They just kind of cover up the Ford emblem with a matte black. So, customer got a cool truck, wanted to take it another step further. You can see he's from Maryland. We get trucks from all over the country. We got trucks in here right now from Texas. We got San Francisco, California. So we got trucks all over the place. So keep following us on Instagram, Kelderman Trucks, on Facebook, Kelderman Air Suspension.